Friends, this is me Rayan Somani, and today I am going to show you my project, the HTML and Bootstrap calculator. At the end of this video, we are also going to add some new things in this calculator. So friends, let me show you how I made this calculator. Actually, this calculator consists of two files. One is the main Bootstrap file where you have all this. You might wonder why did I keep two separate files, for the one for the UI and one for the calculator. Actually, the problem is that if I get the calculator styles sheet in the Bootstrap file, the Bootstrap file goes wrong. So that's why it happened. So, but as you can see, it's pretty good. Let me show what I've done in it. So basically, to get the calculator, I use the iframe. For beginners, iframes are basically just frames which show a different web page or a different HTML document. For the advanced people, you all know this. So now let me show you the real demo of my website. Here's it. So here's it. I've done a little bit of progress. So we have this is a nav bar, a Bootstrap 5 nav bar, a blue colored. I choose my favorite one. And then if you press this calculator link, which seemingly looks like this kind of link, then when you press it, then it links you to this modal. Now you have this calculator which works totally fine as it's supposed to. Let me show the code of the JS code of the calculator. Just you should not be confused. So the JS code of calculator is that I kept the display value 0, and then I did 0 plus whatever the user enters, which is digit. Then dot equals decimal point. So if somehow the user wants to basically want to do like 3.2, they are free to do it. So it's that simple. But and there are also the functions which is like operator, all clear, calculator keys, which is basically query selectors, etc. Then that is the calculator thing. Without the style sheet, do you wonder what will happen? Actually, without the style sheet, the calculator buttons will be lined instead of this, the normal calculator layout. So it's like that. So, and the code of the main HTML document is basically, I got a nav bar over here, and I got a converter calculator in the main HTML document only. Basically, this converter I'll show you how to extend this in the main video. Links for this HTML project is given below. So, as you can see, we also have these things which you can use to increase it if you don't have a keyboard or are using a mobile. So, I can show you how it looks like in mobile. So, in mobile, it will look something like this. It will look more tidy and neat. So yeah, it looks. I'm going to add a drop down button when I get a new column. I'm going to keep and so let me do it. So yeah. So you basically now have understood my whole project. Now let us move on to the second task, which is to extend this. So I'm going to extend this right now. So let us go back. So instead of putting this thing in here, I'm going to copy it to somewhere else, like a different modal altogether. Oh, I forgot. Yeah. Let me copy this thing and paste it somewhere else. Like here. Now you have this. Now let's keep this ID something like for you convert. Oh, I forgot the spelling. Yeah, conversion. So, but everything else, let's keep this like, yeah, the heading, let's also keep conversion. Not this conversion, but yeah. Now, we are going to remove this iframe because we don't need it in this one. Now we are going to add the code I told you earlier, which is oh no, I lost the code. It's okay. We can get the code back. Because I copied it from somewhere. We can get the code back. I copied the code from here. So this is the code we were talking about. So if I copy this code, now let us copy it back into the conversion calculator. But it's not going to be just this much. Now, as we can see, oh, something interesting has happened. Something very interesting has happened. Wait a second, did I forget where I put that new modal? Oh, I think yeah. Delete. So now I'm going to get that modal back because somehow my this thing is getting a little, I don't know why like this. I put it, I remember very clearly, but somehow it's just erased it from the face of this document. Now let's do everything we did. Remove this thing. Now we are not going to remove the whole body, I mean. Yeah, if we remove that again, we have to copy it again. It will not be good. Now, it's not going to be calculated. It's going to be, you guessed it, conversion. Now we need to add a new thing also in the our nav bar, so we can access this. That's not in the tag. Nav link. Let's keep it as a modal, as we are using modal. I did the same thing in a test video, but I'm not uploading it as it was very long and useless. So let's keep it to the ID we put over there. And oh shit. Oh shit. It's not that leads. We have to keep, oh shit. I did a very big mistake. This should not be Lee, it should be A. So it should be like this, but and the Lee should be, oh, what happened? Oh shit, what happened? Yes, so now let's add Lee. And QL. VS Code is also sometimes a little funny. Now we have to be quick. Let's make it a nav item. Command S. So now wait a second, something is happening. I think something wrong has happened. It should not be like nav item. Nav item. Oh, it's not able to see it. Let's keep it as conversion. So, no, why it's showing this window? Let's go back to, oh, I'm in the wrong window. So, this is what we have. So yeah, all that, please don't keep mind on it. So all that is just something else. So yeah, we have a fully functional thing now. If when I refresh it, yeah, here's the HTML document. When I refresh it, we have another field called conversion, and oh, now we have another problem. So many problems we are encountering. Coding is basically just like that. So this problem is that output meters is there, but the problem is I also don't understand the problem. Do any of you guys know what is the problem? You can put down in the comments below. So the problem is that I'm not able to open it. I mean, the thing works. Should I refresh the page? Something must be wrong. Let's go back to the thing. So we forgot this, I think. So now let me command C it. I don't think anything should happen, but anything could happen. Oh yeah. So length converter this value. If I add a P which is missing from here, now yeah, it's shifting. I don't think this should do anything. Missing element brackets. It can do anything. This is the conflicts. Oh, that's nothing you need to know. Now, so now it should be a little yeah, this is the problem. Let me press the try it yourself once again. Let's copy this whole thing. What if something good could happen? Command C. Sorry, the video might be a little long, but it's okay. It should be long. That's the problem with this kind of code. So as you can see, this thing happens when you copy paste something. So what is the problem here? Correct. Now some conflicts with the files, I guess. I opened two different projects because oh no, oh no, 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 this should not happen. This should not happen. Let me copy the whole thing so it will be in my clipboard. Got it why it was having. So now if anything should happen, now we are not going to get conflicts, I guess. Sorry for the things. Stay tuned. What? What if I open this one? Yes. So let me reopen it now. This project, if it does not work now, it's a failure. Because we have done so much things. So it cannot be a failure, bro. Oh. I think I have an idea. Let's rename the project to something else. Like, so let's rename this. New. If I save it as new.html, the conflicts will be over, correct? Now the conflict will be over, basically. Now you'll not be conflicted. File. Now let's browse back into desktop. Like, where's users? Yeah. Here. Oh no, what is happening? Inspect. navbar item. How does the conversion model say? What did this code say? Oh, got it. It's not my fault. It just I forget. I'm also so mad. I forgot to add that. That's also actually bad of me. I was just searching for something like a conflict, but it's not like that. It was my fault that I did it. So sorry for the long video, but please watch it. So just doing a little bit of renaming over here. Now it's totally accessible, right? Oh yes, it's good. If I do inspect, I did it in mobile mode, so it's like that. So or else it's not like that. I have to unfold. Don't do it. It's not good. Now we have a good one. Now let me show you the thing I was going to do. Expanding it. So now the video is going to get extended. So I'm going to keep a copy of this. So we are going to have multiple spans now. It's going to be like this. So I'm going to create units for all. Like I'm going to create. Let's keep this output centimeters and cm. Output cm. Now let's keep this output let's keep this meter km. Yeah, it's pretty. I'm using the short form because in my old document it took a long time without short form, so it's going to be like this. So I'm going to keep miles here because yes, we don't have a short form for miles. And here I am also going to give inches because there's no short form for inches. So we have got all the basic units. Now I don't know the formulas for all them, but I can try. So command C. Now we are having feet over here, correct? Now if I search, now let's search feet to cm multiply by 30.48. So now if we see, now let's keep it. divide into multiplied. Output CM. First, let me change everything to something like Control C. Let me get all of them. So in the end, I'm only going to change the numbers. Some strategies applied. Out. Output. It's basically become a little easier, but don't even take it easier. So if you want to add more units, you can. The source code is given below. You can edit it, do anything on it. Miles. Now we have inches. Now we just need to get the formula for everything. So we have 30.48 for here. So millimeters. 304.8. Basically, it's a little similar to what we saw in centimeters. Google Chrome once again. I'm not taking micrometer and nanometer. I'm just taking the most common units. Divide by 3281. See? Oh, I forgot. We don't need to do divide. Next, in miles, I think I also need to divide, so I'm going to keep there as a divide sign. So for miles, we need to divide by 5280. So 5280 dividing. Oh, something error happened. Oh, why did it go that up? And for here, I think it's multiply. What do you think? Let's see if if my answer of multiplied correct, then let's see. Multiply. I knew it. Inches are smaller units, so thus it will be multiplied. Now, as per my hard work, now new HTML when refreshed should have all this, and here you go. This is your very good calculator, and converter calculator. Thank you. Goodbye. See you later.